The Queen Victoria Market, established in 1878, is the largest open-air market in the Southern Hemisphere. The market is a hub of fresh produce, specialty retail, multicultural cuisine, and also feature live acts and music. It is one of Melbourne's busiest and successful attractions with over 10 million visitors per year. However, due to the rapidly rising repair and maintenance costs in the market, it is in need of urgent redevelopment. We analysed QVM at 3 different scales and compared it with Hardware Lane as a precedent to identify the current and future needs of the market and propose a design solution. Pedestrian counts show that most visitors access the site from the north and east areas of Melbourne. Poor connectivity from the south and west areas can be explained by several factors, including long impermeable blocks that discourage foot traffic from these directions, as well as transport services being more convenient for visitors coming along the southeast. Limited trading hours also reduce opportunities for visitation and creates a 7-hectare hole of inactivity in the city north. To identify issues at the precinct edges, we compared streetscapes with low activation to more successful ones. Hardware Lane and Elizabeth Street are better activated due to the built-in buffer controls, including tree strips, bike lanes and dividers. These create boundaries and distance between pedestrians and vehicle traffic that make it more pleasant to linger on the street. Mixed use and outdoor seating also increases street capacity. In contrast, the edges of Peel Street and Victoria Street have less activation due to the lack of these amenities. Queen Street is an important pathway within Queen Victoria Market that connects open sheds and the closed market area. However, the street is underutilised because of its vehicle access and car parking. This access conflicts with pedestrians and separates the east buildings from the west. It also means less amenities for market goers like shade, green spaces and seating. These 2 photographs taken moments apart demonstrates poor quality and lack of pedestrian infrastructure. In order to find solutions that would consider future changes to the urban context, we consulted and built on pre-existing strategic plans. To improve citywide accessibility, we will extend trading hours and increase height controls around future tram corridors. At the precinct scale, we will activate all edges of the precinct by installing fixed shops and stalls of mixed uses along the edges. At the street scale, we aim to improve the unity between the market quarters by creating a pedestrian path beginning from Queen Street through to the Market Square and finally to Flagstaff Gardens.